Hello. Today I will show you how to set up payments for the Voucher Creator plugin. First, go to the WooCommerce dashboard and click on Settings. You'll be taken to a page where various settings such as General, Shipping, Emails, and Payments are managed. Click on Payments. Here, you'll see a list of available payment methods, including PayPal, Stripe, and bank transfer. Each payment method has a toggle option to enable or disable it. At the moment, only the Stripe payment method is enabled. Now, go to the front end to see which payment methods are available. Fill in the required voucher form details by selecting the voucher design, completing the form, reviewing the details, and proceeding to the payment section. You can see that only Stripe is displayed as the payment option. Next, return to the backend and enable the bank transfer payment method. Refresh the front-end page and fill in the voucher form again to reach the payment section. You will now see bank transfer available along with Stripe as payment options. This is how you can enable or disable payment methods from the back end and see their impact on the front end. Thanks for watching.